Before we get into the makeup look, there's a product that I want to talk to you about today. I also want to say thank you to YESSTYLE for sponsoring this product. It is a sunscreen. As you know, maybe not, I don't know, but I love sunscreen. I am such a huge advocate for sunscreen. Make sure you wear your face sunscreen and body. It doesn't matter if it's cloudy, raining, I don't know, you gotta wear this. I think I'm just really scared of skin cancer and stuff like that. So for today's sunscreen, it is the Dear Klairs All Day Airy Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 plus and PA++++. It is an everyday sun protector. It's vegan friendly. It has a water-based gel texture, and they've done skin irritation tests. I use this after my moisturizer. It's makeup friendly. It doesn't have any white casts. I've actually been testing this out for a few weeks now. I like it, it's pretty good, but the only thing is I feel like it doesn't really suit my skin oil-wise, because I have oily combination skin, and I feel like this kind of brings more oil out. It's not that bad. Yeah, I would still use this all. And don't forget, you can get this sunscreen for 10% off when you use my code JENNIFERY10 at checkout. Protect your skin, please. Okay, now back to the video. Hi everyone, so it's Jen and welcome back to my channel since I didn't introduce myself yet. So I started off with filling my brows in, and then I set my brows with my NYX brow mascara. I went ahead and primed my face, and then I will be starting with my base. So I'll be using a cushion foundation today because it is quick and easy and light. This is always my to-go product when I am in a rush. Next, I'll be setting my face with my Hello Kitty translucent blurring powder. And then that completes my base. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a really light matte brown, and I'm going to be putting this all over my eye, and I'm also taking it out to the outer corners and bringing it down to my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be taking a lighter peachy pink shade, and I'm going to apply this really close to my eye, so really close to my eyelids on the top and really close to my lash line on the bottom. This just adds a little bit of color, and then I'll be blending all of that out. Then using some highlighter, I'm going to be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm bringing it halfway. Then using a darker brown shade, I'm going to be lining my lower lash line, and I'm also going to wing it out a bit. Using brown liner today, I'm going to be following the shapes that I did with the eyeshadow. Using brown liner is a lot softer than black, I figured, so I decided to use brown liner today. Then I'll be curling my lashes and applying brown mascara today. Then I'll be using pencil liner to line my upper lash line. I'm also going to create some false lashes on the outer corners of my eyes just to add more of a dolly and cute look. So for lashes, I'm using the sample lashes that I have for Wispy, so they haven't came out yet, they're just sample lashes. But I thought this pair would fit so well with this look, and you can totally skip lashes if you would like. I'm going to add some false beauty marks as well, and that completes the eyes. Then moving back to the face, I'm going to be bronzing and contouring a bit more. And then for lips, I'll be using my NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. And then for lips, I'm going to be using Peri Para's lip tint in Coral Fischled. I'm also using my Rhode lip treatment. I love this stuff. It makes your lips look so glossy and hydrated. I'm using the same lip tint to apply it as blush because this lasts so long. Then going back in with my highlighter and highlighting the high points of my face. And then I'll be setting my makeup with my Milk Hydro Setting Spray. Now moving on to hair. So for my hair, I thought I should do something really simple. I'm going to be applying heat protectant first. For the hair, I'm just going to be straightening it and then curling it right at the bottom of the hair strands. The same goes for the hair framing my face as well. I think this just adds more of a cute and put together kind of look. My straightener is pretty wide actually, so it was kind of hard to do this. Yeah, this completes the hair. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching if you reached this far. So if you liked this look, please give it a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye!